Hello. Um, Good day. This is Michael, in charge of overseas sales in REGENI. This day I try to introduce some products of REGENI. At first, the mobile dryer RG202. And you turn the main power, you see that the target temperature and staying time at target temperature. If you click this button, the value blinks. When value blinks, you can readjust target value. This will be the same value as factory setting, from the room temperature, etc. Temperature increased to the target temperature, and if target temperature reaches the target, then it will stay for setting time 5 minutes. So this setting is used for drying mobile phone, for disassembly of the back cover. As you see, below 48 Celsius degrees, the fan stopped working. So we can see the change in the working. And in the previous movie, I explained this button, door switch. If this door switch is pushed, the lamp turn off and the fan keep working. But if the door is opened, you can see the stopped working of fan and light on. So you check the working, you try to click, and this 70 is the target, 70 in continuous time usually. Next, I introduced the two types of reballing tool. One is RG610 or RG611, which can adjust the height of working by turning the middle frame and placing, and also there are microbars to adjust height, and this model can change other stencil, so rather bigger BGA chip is applicable for this model. And this RG612 is only one stencil. The stencil is fixed by maker, so tolerance is much better than this one because the stencil is already fixed. Although there is still tolerance, so you should place the flux fiber brush and cover it with tool for the solder balls, and okay, adjust balls and remove the solder balls. These reballing tools are used to recycle the previous VGA chip, so you can consider to use this style of tool. And this one is anti-static silicone matte black RG450. All sides of silicone materials are anti-static, so the color is in black, but there are carbons and some strong anti-static materials are used.